And guys, as you can see, we have scripts, so we have all these features. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Blox first scripts for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called AppLoop, and then you will find the scripts. Okay, click there, and now just click Blox online tool. And now guys, we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your profile Roblox and just copy your profile link. Let's get back to our tool, and then we'll have to paste it here. So we have paste button, press continue, and let's see, guys. As you can see, it's connected, and just scroll down and we have some questions here. So do you have Delta executor? No, I don't have. Import newest Delta, yes, and select scripts that you want to add to your account, guys. So let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Blox, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites around this. AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just go down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and start, and it will start the loading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute, so let's wait for this redirecting. Verification successful. Thanks for passing the boot check. Blox are important to your account, guys. So I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see. Okay, let's see, guys. Guys, now I'm in the game, and as you can see, we have this panel. So thank you for using Delta. So let me click execute and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, nothing yet. Let me click. And guys, as you can see, we have scripts. So we have all these features. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.